Hey y'all, it's Josh with Earnest Roots. Today on this video, we're going to show you how we like to cook our Boerewors. If you don't know what a Boerewors is, it's a dish from South Africa with a special blend, a seasoning. What we have been having available for purchase is our pork Boerewors, and what we did was we had our processor make up a batch of authentic Boerewors. And authentic Boerewors consists of about 80% beef and about 20% pork and or lamb. So we did beef and pork mixed with malt vinegar and the Boerewors seasoning. So this is the pork Boerewors. It's rolled up like a cinnamon roll. What I'm going to do is I'm going to skewer it. I'll show that in a second. And then this is the ingredients you can pick up at the local farmer's market or grocery store. Yellow onions, multicolored peppers. This is the green one. Garlic, parsley, pepper jack cheese, honey. We have honey fermented garlic, which adds a great pop to it, good flavor. And then Kylie made up a batch of sourdough bread. We're gonna throw that in the mix, and then we'll try something new on this one. So stay tuned in the video, see how we do with it. So we're putting some skewers in the Boerewors. Gonna do it on both sides. This makes it for ease of flipping. Dicing up some multicolored peppers, dicing up some garlic, also some onions not shown. And then gonna season it with some salt and black pepper to taste. Stir it up a little bit. I'm gonna put it out on the fire. Gonna saute it. You can also do this indoors if you choose. Gonna add some butter, let it melt, caramelize it, and then I'm gonna add some honey fermented garlic. This really adds a good flavor with the sauteed vegetables. I'll set this aside for the time being, putting the Boerewors on the fire. You can also cook these indoors if you choose, but we like cooking this on the fire for that charred look. Gonna do some double flippage, get that black look on the meat. Really adds to the color of the dish when it's done. I'm gonna put it in the cast iron pan. Top it with some pepper jack cheese. Now we're gonna put that vegetables on the pepper jack cheese. Spread it out all nice and evenly on it. Gonna put this back on the fire, let that cheese melt and let the meat finish cooking. And cover it with a bowl. Let that cheese melt, get that smoked flavor in it. Look at that, nice and delicious looking. Now we're gonna put it on the cutting board, get ready to slice it up for plating. But before that, gonna sprinkle some parsley on there. Just look how aesthetically pleasing that looks. And it's also aromatically pleasing. Now we got this sourdough bread that Kylie made. We're gonna slice it up and make a hamburger bun out of it. This is the first time we've tried this. Look at that, fits perfect on the bread. This makes one gigantic hamburger. Now we're gonna slice it up into sections. Now y'all brace yourselves. Check this out. Look at that color, the juiciness. Wow, this was one delicious cook. So there you have it, the pork Boerewors sandwich, and then our original method we like to cook. If you like what you see, subscribe, check us out on Facebook, check out the online store. Take care.